Hello, this is Henk Sijbranda from Berthon Spain, and today I'm going to show you the Hanse 630e VIVENDI. Welcome aboard VIVENDI. She's just arrived here in Barcelona after a winter storage and service on the Heart. VIVENDI is a Hanse 630e built 2012. A beautiful yacht set up for easy, fast and powerful sailing. The aft swim platform can open. We enter over hydraulic Berthon passerelle, wide decks, gates in the guard wires on port and starboard. Very spacious foredeck with flush hatches. Here we have the anchor locker that can be opened, and it comes with a fold-out anchor bracket. VIVENDI has a 40 kilograms delta anchor with 80 meters chain. Quantum tri-radial sails. The Genoa and the staysail furlers are electric by Selden and recessed below deck for maximum love. Crew cabin with toilet and basin, also spacious storage room. VIVENDI has the powerful Seldane rig. It's a tree spreader mast 30 meters above the waterline. All halyards and sheets are led to the cockpit below deck. Hydraulic boom fan. She has a foldable spray hood. VIVENDI is equipped with an overload on covers, canvas, cushions. Four electric Harken winches. This Hanse is equipped with redesigned helm pedestals with push buttons for all winches and sails, engine control, as well as the retractable bow and stern thruster. It's a super spacious and safe cockpit. And at the helm you have a great connection with the others on board. And for entertainment there are 4 Fusion speakers installed in the cockpit. As we enter the luxury saloon, you see the natural light coming in through the large hull windows and the ceiling. In the front we have the owner cabin with an ensuite bathroom, Corian tops, Corian basin, electric toilet, separate shower, all in pristine condition. She has a queen-sized double berth on starboard side, as well as a separate office table, makeup table. And on the port side there is the double settee and large and spacious cupboards. Coming back to the saloon, we find the dining area on the starboard side with an L-shaped sofa and 2 freestanding chairs and a large dining table. On port side we have a 4-seater sofa. Navigation area with chart table. All new Raymarine equipment installed in 2024. Galley with a breakfast bar with 2 stools. Also Korean worktops, double sink. She has a 3-burner stove with oven. Microwave, wine fridge, a built-in espresso machine, 2 drawers for the cooler freezer, we have 2 similar aft cabins. They are with semi-separated berths with an infill and a cushion to adapt it to a double bed. Ample locker space and storage. Dimmable lights all through the yacht. An ensuite bathroom with electric head and shower. All very neat and practical. A seat in the shower. Everything in a very good condition. Access to the engine room. Now Natalie will show you the utility room. Also a multi-purpose storage. Here is a Miele washer dryer installed. Another freezer and a lot of storage space. Then finally we come to the port side, to the other aft cabin. It is similar with the starboard cabin. VIVENDI has constantly been well maintained and upgraded by her current owner. In 2024, the latest Raymarine instruments were built in. This includes 2 Axiom Pro hybrid touchscreens and 1 12-inch Axiom screen. She has the new Alpha Mast instrument displays, quantum radar and many more. She's ready to go.